So I decided to try this Stok coffee for the first time that I've seen all over TikTok. I also picked up a Starbucks caramel macchiato creamer, some salted caramel syrup, and I'm also adding my collagen powder to it and some cane sugar, and we're gonna see how this tastes. So I'm just getting everything open and ready to go. I will be using my old Tim Hortons cup. I did go this morning to get coffee from there. So I'm going to go ahead and use that because I want a big old cup of coffee, and also so you guys can see through the cup. So I'm going to add in the collagen first, which I should have did this before the ice and added a little liquid because the collagen turns clumpy. I just added the cane sugar there. Now I'm gonna pour some of the coffee, about half a cup, and I'm gonna go ahead and stir that with a spoon just to get down to the very bottom to bring up the sugar and stuff that settled at the bottom. And then I'm going to use my frother. You'll see that soon. So now I'm adding a little bit of the caramel macchiato to it. Looks so good. Some caramel syrup. Everything that you see I'm using I got from Walmart except for the collagen, and the frother is from Amazon. So I'm using a spoon after using the frother just to smash that collagen up. It was still a bit clumpy. Added a little bit more coffee, and I am using my compostable plant-made straw. Someone questioned me about that in one of my videos, to drink out of instead of the Tim Hortons, but I tasted it, added a little bit more coffee, and it was perfect. It tastes so good.